Why is my AC louder than it used to be? Usually, it is louder because a part is loose, worn out, dirty, or the system is working harder than it should. A loud air conditioner can mean something small, like a dirty filter, or something bigger, like a fan motor, compressor, or blower problem. When air cannot move easily, the unit has to push harder, and that can make humming, rattling, banging, squealing, or buzzing sounds. A dirty filter is one of the easiest things to check because it can block air and make the whole system sound stressed. Loose screws, panels, or duct pieces can shake and rattle when the unit turns on and off. If the outdoor unit has leaves, twigs, or grass stuck around it, the fan may hit them or spin in a noisy way. Sometimes the noise changes with the weather because metal parts expand when they get hot and shrink when they cool, which can make clicking or popping sounds. One less obvious thing is that older systems often get louder slowly, so people do not notice the change until it is pretty obvious. A good first step is to listen carefully, turn the system off, check the filter, look for loose parts you can safely see, and call a professional if the sound is new, sharp, or getting worse. A common mistake is ignoring a new noise because the AC still cools the house. That can let a small problem turn into a bigger repair, so do not wait too long if the sound is getting louder. Another mistake is blaming the outdoor unit when the real problem is inside, like the blower wheel or a loose vent cover, so listen to where the sound is coming from before guessing. Some people also think every noise is normal aging, but screeching, grinding, or banging usually means something needs attention right away. If you hear that, shut the unit off and have it checked soon. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.